Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Greenthumb. You know, people often ask me, what is the secret? How do some gardeners really get great results with their flowers, with their trees, with their vegetables? And I've got to tell you that it's Black Kow. Black Kow cow manure. And I'm going to give you this secret because a lot of folks say, well, I don't have the results that I want. Black Kow cow manure is a 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, which means there's some nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and it's all in an organic form, which means as it starts to warm up, all those little microorganisms will work on it and release that fertilizer so your plant can use it. Now, if you're using fertilizer, having organic matter is really important because you get to help hold those nutrients and you hold water at the soil base. It's kind of like having a good building. If you don't have a good base, you can't have great results. So if you plant into a rocky soil, clay soil, sandy soil, you need to amend it, you need to improve it. And that's where Black Kow cow manure is going to make that difference for you. It's important to have a soil that's going to help with those flowers and shrubs, or even lawn areas. I had one customer in an area where the grass just would never grow. It was always looking horrible. We put one bag in a small area, spread it out, kind of raked it in, and now it's one of the prettiest areas in their lawn area. So that's a secret. If you've got an area where it never grows, everything seems to die, try a bag of this Black Kow in that area and see if that doesn't make a big difference in your yard, in your lawn, and in your garden, especially if you're putting in a vegetable garden. You want to improve that soil. And I stress that a lot because a lot of folks just have poor results. When I was a youngster, my dad tried to put vegetables out into our Florida soil without ever improving it, and he had horrible results. It kind of made me want to decide to become a horticulturist. What did he do wrong? Well, he didn't improve the soil. He didn't know. He was a city boy, came from a big city, and they didn't really talk much about how to improve the soil. Add those leaves, add that organic matter, add that compost, but if you start off with a good base like Black Kow, you're really going to make a difference in that soil. I'd put about an inch layer, maybe 2 inches over an area, and then till it into your existing soil. You want kind of a homogenized mix. You don't want just a layer. But if you're putting in that new plant, you're putting in that new tree, and you want that tree to become vigorous, you want it to become powerful, you need to start off with a good foundation. I make the analogy with a good building. If it's got a good base, you've got strength, and you've got good results. You've got a weak base, you've got weak soil, you're not going to have the kind of results you're looking for. Black Kow makes the difference. It's a secret that almost all great gardeners know. If you like this segment, make sure that you hit the like button and make sure that you sign up for it and that you subscribe right now and tell Uncle Fred he ought to be watching as well.